Do you ever use AI to redecorate your home? Today I am showing you.
Today I'm showing you tons of home hacks that anybody can use no matter the space. Oh my gosh, some of these are life-changing. Just stick around.
So the space I was working with is actually our bedroom. It's our bedroom. It's where Danny keeps his hunting and fishing stuff. It's such an awkward space. Like, we barely have a wall on the one side because of the bathroom, and the other wall isn't there because of the closet. It's always has been hard to redesign. Sometimes it's easy to get defeated by our spaces. I want to know in the comments, is there a spot in your house that you really just can't stand to look at, or is bugging you, but you have to use it all the time, and you could really use a fresh set of eyes to see it in a new way? Over time, we can become blind to our space, our clutter, our stuff, just superset in a way that we've done it before. So I cleared everything out to give it a blank slate and give it a complete makeover. As always, I was working on a small budget, and nothing in this video is sponsored. I moved everything out into the kitchen, and I decided I needed to get a fresh set of eyes by using my first hack, which is AI-generated room design. So I took some pictures of the space and downloaded a free AI app. I'll be sure to link it down below. There's tons of these. Then you can select the style that you want to match. They have tons of options, and you can select yours. Most of these apps allow you to upload 2 to 3 images before you have to pay a few dollars. But it'll spit back to you ideas you may not have tried. Maybe it allows you to see your space in a new way. Now, the one I'm showing you here are kind of a lot. That doesn't mean there weren't elements you could incorporate. Just see my space from a different perspective. I didn't love everything, but here are the elements I wanted to use. The green paint. I love the drapes, as well as the mirror by the door. I adore the wood flooring, as well as the bed frame. I know I won't be able to get all these elements put in right away, but I know where to start. I want to make sure this room starts feeling cozy. And in this video, even if your space doesn't look like mine, all of these hacks apply to everybody. Give these AI apps a try. I'm going to link some down below. I also used AI from Glidden to test out how different colors would look on the wall. I ended up going with this gorgeous birch forest.